Save this video for your interview as we will be using stack to solve this. Welcome back to coding interview series. This is Leetcode 20 valid parentheses. In this question, we are given a string of parentheses and we have to find out if they are valid or not. The parenthesis type would be the normal brackets, the curly brackets and the square brackets. So we have to find out if the given string of parentheses or brackets are valid or not. For example, this is valid. This is also valid, but this is not valid. The thing we have to remember here is the opening and the closing bracket and the order of the bracket should be same. For example, if we start with a normal bracket and introduce a square bracket, then we have to close the square bracket first and then the normal bracket. Suppose this is our string for which we have to validate if it is a valid parenthesis or not. All we have to do is, if we find an open bracket, we will push that onto this stack. Let's see how it goes. This is an open bracket. We'll push that onto a stack. Again, open bracket onto stack, and this bracket also onto a stack. Now, when we get to a closing bracket, what we'll do is we'll pop the last element. We got this bracket, we'll pop the last element. If it matches with our closing bracket, then we will pop this element. Again, we got the closing bracket here. We will match it with the last element. We'll pop it and match it with the last element. If it matches, then we will pop that element as well. And lastly, this bracket. Again, we'll compare, and if it matches, we will pop that element. If at the end of our list, our stack is empty, then our parenthesis is valid. This is our code. As you can see, if we are getting an opening bracket, then we are appending that onto a stack. If we are getting a closing bracket like this here, then we are checking the last element. And if it matches, then we are popping that element. And lastly, if a stack, the length of stack is equal to 0, then we're returning true. If you want this code, then please comment code in the comment section. And for more tips and tricks, please follow my channel, Coding Fundamentals.